Aspose.Imaging View application was designed to help you preview your images. First, you need to upload a file to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the input file for preview. Only a single file may be previewed at a time. Uploading may take a while depending on your input file size. After uploading completes, you may preview the file, select the desired zoom ratio, or the useful options such as fit to width or fit to height. They are especially useful if your image has a large dimensions. In case your image has several layers such as a multi-layered TIFF file, several frames GIF, or another file format supported by Aspose.Imaging, then you could use the option to switch to the next or previous pages for the preview. Those pages are also shown as thumbnails in the left pane window. You could also click them for fast switching between the pages. Finally, you may print your image. A standard print window is shown, or you may download the original loaded image. A useful feature is download as images option. The option splits each page of an image into a separate file, however currently they are converted to PNG file format. We plan to extend this feature to support other file formats for conversion. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.